the chainsaw through the blades while it takes both legs off. Take a face off at a little steak sauce. Insane and we never take a day off. That's right, boy, killing is a day job. And I gotta say I love a little chaos. Gotta scout another group that we can play on. Bring it to the dinner table in a seance. Officer Hoyt, reporting for duty, supporting a beast. Now ain't he a beauty? Contorting your body, you're brooding these loony recruits, and I'm setting them loose on your groupies. Pursuing you now, and death is certain. He'll rip off your scalp and turn him to curtain. He's really impressive and sort of a surgeon. He's turning your skin into clothing, it's perfect. Do you hear that? We should hear that. Gonna kill us if he finds us. We're trapped. Don't breathe, man. Maybe we can steer that. Then it's a band to another spot. Who's that? I can hear you. Now it's too late. Came to my place, boy, what a mistake. Don't worry, you won't go to waste till your heart breaks while I'm taking your face. Ooh, when I'm here, I love new visitors, because visitors turn into prisoners. I administer blunt force style visitor crime, and I like chainsaws in particular. I'm a big boy, I need big toys. Enjoy hearing screams under its noise. And this a family business, cover our bases, leaving no witness. I am the massacre manic, a ravager panic. My killing is at a new caliber. Lumbering slashes, walking as sandwiches, finish you ramming, assault till it's jamming. I'm wearing your face like a ski mask. Take off the skin from your legs and use them as knee pads. Stay off my property, visiting's reckless. Menace in Texas, serving a death wish. Do you hear that? We should hear that. Gonna kill us if he finds us. We're trapped. Don't breathe, man. Maybe we can steal that. Menace of a band to another spot. Who's that? I can hear you. Now it's too late. Came to my place, boy, what a mistake. Don't worry, you won't go to waste till your heart race while I'm taking your face. Do you hear that? We should hear that. Gonna kill us if he finds us. We're trapped. Don't breathe, man. Maybe we can steal that. Menace of a band to another spot. Who's that? I can hear you. Now it's too late. Came to my place, boy, what a mistake. Don't worry, you won't go to waste till your heart race while I'm taking your face.